Now in this video we are going to check what are the different kind of expressions. Basically, what do you mean by expression? So expression is a combination of operand and operator. Now that will result in a certain value, unique value when we do the evaluation. And depend upon the whatever result we will get after the evaluation part, the expressions are classified into four different categories. The first one is the arithmetic, second one is relational, third is logical, and fourth is character expression. So these are the four expressions which are to be considered while doing the program in the FORTRAN language. So basically, we will cover it one by one. So arithmetic expression. So it is a valid combination of numeric operand and arithmetic operator if required, and that will result in a unique numeric value. So what is this numeric operators or arithmetic operators available in the Fortran? So these are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, it is a star, and slash, it's a division, then double star, it's a exponential raising to the power. If you just look at the example here, so suppose x raised to the power y, if you want to write down this, so we have to use this exponential double star, so x double star y. Similarly, z equals to p square plus q square, where z will be equals to p double star 2 plus q double star 2. So this is how this arithmetic expression is to be used. We'll just see the program here. So let us take this program. Here we have considered, look at this line number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So you can see we have used here multiplication sign, addition, this is division. Okay, we have also used here parenthesis. So likewise, these all line number 9 to 14 are considered as arithmetic expressions, and that will result in certain numeric value, and that's the reason these are called as arithmetic expressions. So if we just look at the other expression type, so we'll go for the relational expression. So relational expression, what does this mean? It's a valid combination of numeric operand and relational operators are there. So relational operators, earlier we have used arithmetic operator. Now here in relational expression you have to use relational operator. So this will give, or this will result in a logical value, that is true or false. In terms of either true or false, you will get the value, and the relational operator that will compare values of operand. So this is the table wherein you can see the what is the mathematical form and how to write it in photon form, and what does that mean. Just like here, this is for the less than description. Here you can see this is for the less than. So how to write out in terms of photon dot lt dot. If you want less than or equal to, so this is the sign less than or equal to, just write down here dot le dot. Greater than, so this is dot gt dot. Similarly, we can use greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to dot g dot. Similarly, equal to, for equal to we have to use dot eq dot, and then this is the symbol in mathematical format for not equal to, and this is dot any dot. So this is how it is to be written, relational expression. So this is something it's, I'll just go through the programming here. So you can just look at this. Say this 5, 6, and 7, line number 5, 6, and 7. You can see this thing x dot lt dot y, x dot eq dot y, and x dot gt dot y. What does that mean? This is less than, this is equal to, and this is greater than. So how to write down this? This is x dot lt dot y, x dot eq dot y, x dot gt dot y, and likewise we can use here this expression, and this will give this relational expression will give you the unique value, and what is that? It is it either true or false. So this is how this particularly relational operator is about. And then the next one is the logical expression. The same way, it is a valid combination of logical operand and logical operator. So relational expression or logical expression, this is how is a valid logical operand. So what are the different operators in the logical expression? And, or, not. To write it and or not, dot and dot or dot, and dot not dot. Syntax. Syntax for and dot, it is a operand 1 would be on the left hand side, operand 2 on the right hand side. Now, how does it operate? It operates, this will result in true when both the operand evaluate to true. So this operand 1 and operand 2, if both of these found to be true, then and only then the whole expression will have the value true. Similarly, dot or dot, so operand 1 on the left hand side, operand 2 on the right hand side. So this will result in false only when both the operand evaluate to false. Operand 1 is evaluated to false, operand 2 is evaluated to false. Then only then this will become false. Otherwise, if any one of these operand 1 becomes true or operand 2 becomes true, the expression will have the value true. And then the third one, dot not dot operand. So here there is only one operand. This will result in true when operand evaluates to false and vice versa. So this is something you will have the value true if this operand become false. If operand become false, then you will get the value true. So likewise, you can see this example d equals to, if x is greater than 25.5 and dot and dot y. This is relational operator we have used here, and this is logical operator. Dot not dot a greater than b. So this is how this logical expression is to be used. We can see the example here. Suppose x equals to 200 and y equals to 300. Now since we have to use the logical expression, so first of all we have to define this as def, these three expressions where we have to save the value. This is to be considered as logical. It's a kind of data type. We have seen the different data types earlier. Out of that, this is the logical, where you will get the value only in terms of true or false. So dot not dot less than x is x greater than y dot and dot y less than x, then f equals to x greater than y dot over dot y less than x. So this is how you will get, or you can use the logical expression. If you want to just check how or what is the result, go to the run command and there is a compile option. Click on it and you can see this is compiled. Okay, so grammatically there are no errors here because hits is 0, errors is also 0. I just click on OK and again I'll go to the run and run command. So in this run command you will get here TFF. So what does that mean, TFF? So this TFF, this is the value for D, it becomes true. For E it is false, and for F it is again F. F means false, this T means true. So this is how you can see, this is the result of this program, where first of all we have defined logical data type, that is DEF. Then this is x equals to 200, y equals to 300. We have assigned the value and we have checked whether y is less than x. So y is not less than x, so this is false. That is the reason you got here true. Then x greater than y, which is 200 is greater than 300, this is false. So since any one of this operand become false, you got here false value. Similarly, x greater than y, this is again the same thing. So any one of this become false, you will get the result as false. So I'll just close it down and we'll go back to the type of expression. And the next type of expression is the character expression. So we have seen arithmetic, relational, logical, and then last one is the character expression. So what does that mean? Has only one operator to work with the character string when we talk about, and Fortran uses this double slash as the operator as the character string. This is also called as concatenation operator. So this operator joins two character strings. So whatever the two different characters are there, that can be joined with the help of this operator. So suppose if we write here CEXP1 double slash CEXP2, this is the syntax of this concatenation operator, where CEXP1 and EXP2 are the character expression, while the result of operation is one character string only. Just like if we see the example here. So first of all, we have to define this is the character data type. So star 25 a comma b. So a and b both have the spacing of 25. So here we have written a equals to 1 2 3 1 2 3. So there is a single quote. So whatever we write in single quote, that is considered as character, and double slash in single quote again 4 5 6. So you will get the value as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Similarly, if you write in single quote triple star and then a is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you will get the value as triple star 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is how this character expression is to be used with the help of concatenation operator. So there are four expressions we have seen: arithmetic, logical, relational, and then character. That's it. We'll see the next one in the next lecture.